What's up guys, it's Bailey. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine, kind of like a back to school makeup routine. I know like a lot of you guys aren't even going back to school. We don't know what the future holds for school, but it's just tradition that like every video I do this time of year is called back to school. So don't get pressed that it's called back to school if you're not actually going back to school. It just helps like organize my channel a little bit. But this is like a back to school makeup routine if I was going back to school. Actually, that's lying. I'm lying. Okay, this is the makeup look that I'm going to be showing you how to do today, and it is very natural and it's not that much makeup. It's a very minimal. I don't have like foundation or anything on, but this is not what I do every day. I have steady been saying that for like 3 years. Like I can never have just one makeup routine because some days most of the time I don't even wear makeup. Sometimes I just wear mascara. Sometimes I wear concealer and mascara. Sometimes I just wear blush. Sometimes I wear blush and mascara. Normally though, like actually every day I literally just wear mascara, concealer, and blush, which would be a really short video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do this. This is like a full face. This is like what I do when I'm wearing like the most. But it's still literally not that much makeup at all, and it's really quick. This takes me about like 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes to do when I'm not filming, and I hope you guys can learn something from it. Or I don't know, you guys are always asking me like my makeup routine and like what products I use, so I'm gonna be showing you the products that I use. Yeah, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so the first thing that I do is wash my face, which is kind of obvious, like just get everything off your face. Start with a cleansed face. I use the CeraVe hydrating cleanser. I don't know, pretty good. I've been liking it so far. After I wash my face though, the next thing that I do is exfoliate my lips. I don't have like super chapped lips, but I just like my lips being super smooth. So I go in with this e.l.f. lip exfoliator, and I just like to kind of use that to get any like dead skin off my lips. Ew, dead skin is like the grossest word I've ever fucking heard. After that, I go in with a dry washcloth and I just kind of wipe that off. And then before I start on like my face, I just put like a chapstick or a lip balm on. And then I go in with a moisturizer, and right now I'm using this moisturizer, and I have no idea how this is for your skin. I don't really recommend it. I usually use the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream or the Drunk Elephant Polypeptide moisturizer or a Curology one. I ran out of literally all 3 of those things, so I've been using this until this bottle is gone. It's almost gone. Oh! That's super awkward. And kind of press that into my skin. And then after I use that, I go in with this Marbodescu Celifirm drops. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put these on like before your moisturizer, but like, I also know that Marbodescu has like came out as not that great of a brand, and I've kind of stopped using all Marbodescu products except for this and the lip balm. This product literally, it's supposed to just like tighten your skin and moisturize. I love this. I don't know, I can't stop using this yet. Okay, and then I go in with this Lancome Le Base Pro Primer. I hate how primer feels on my face, so I literally use the smallest amount ever and cover my entire face with it. I hate how primer feels, like how smooth it is. I don't know if that's weird, but whatever. I hate the feeling of like makeup on my face, or not like makeup, but I hate the feeling of like cream makeup on my face. I feel like if I touch my face, it's just like I just don't wear foundation. I don't wear tinted moisturizer. I don't even wear like a real concealer anymore. Like I just use the Glossier Stretch Concealer, and this is so lightweight and like so moisturizing. The coverage is like super light, but I don't really need to cover like that much. The thing is, I just don't really care. Like blemishes are so normal, so unless you actually enjoy wearing foundation and like covering all of that up, like you don't need to. I get that like I'm super blessed and like my face is really clear most of the time, and like some people aren't as fortunate, and then in that case, like if you want to wear makeup, go for it. Like I'm not judging you for wanting to wear makeup, but I'm saying like if you really hate wearing foundation like me, don't force yourself to just because you feel like you need to cover up your face, because that is so unhealthy, and I don't want any of you guys to think that you like need to wear makeup to like cover up your face, you know what I mean? So I just kind of put concealer like in this area. I don't know. I'm going to set my under eyes really quickly with this pressed powder. It's just the Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation. I go in with a really light hand of this, but I like to use this instead of a loose powder just to give me like a little more coverage, since I did use like a really light coverage concealer, I guess. I don't know. And then I go in with my blush. So this is the Glossier, what are these called? Cloud Paints in the color Dawn, and it's like a really orangey color. I recommend this color for like the summer because it kind of gives you like a little like sun-kissed look versus like a super pinky look. I don't know, you guys can see like it's like orange. But this stuff, literally a little goes a long way. I literally dip my finger on the top, like I don't even squeeze it, and I just like do that. Oh, cute. And then I just use my finger to blend it. Like, look how like much this little dot is doing for me. That's it. Like that's it. I mean, not this. Like that's okay. I'll go in with a beauty blender and just kind of finish blending that. Most people do bronzer before blush, but in my opinion, since like I do the cream blush, I like to do the blush before the bronzer. This is the Hula Bronzer by Benefit. I've been using this bronzer for literally years. Like not this same bronzer. Like I've gotten new ones. That would be disgusting. I've been using this product for so long. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I normally don't wear this much makeup even though it doesn't even seem like a lot. I don't really like putting highlighter on anymore, especially since I don't know, like I have like glow to my face just because of like primer and the moisturizer and the concealer that I use. The next thing I do is very rare, but I'm gonna do it just for the video because it makes me look way better. It's eyeliner. I normally, okay, there's like two different ways that I do my eyeliner. The one that I'm gonna do today, which is like actually lining my eyes, and then there's one where I just like do my tight line and I just put pencil liner on like my bottom lash line and my top lash line, and it just makes my eyes like pop and like more dark. I'm not gonna go too in depth because I'm so scared I'm gonna mess this up or poke my eye out. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch and I'm not gonna talk. I actually ran out of my Maybelline skinny liner, whatever it's called. So I'm literally using this gross ass, like it's not gross, but like Physicians Formula. It's like a big ass eyeliner, but I'm gonna make it work. What I like to do is take like the end of a eyeshadow brush and kind of lift up my eye so that I can tight line. Oh my god, I just poked my eye. And then I will go and like do a little bit on like the top of the eye where like eyeliner normally goes. I just like apply it super messily right there, and then what I'll do is I'll go in with like a small brush and just kind of blend that out, make it a little smoky and stuff. Just that's it. Here's the difference. As you can see, it just like darkens up your eye a little bit and like makes the white of your eye pop more. I don't know, I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera and then we're gonna apply mascara. The next thing I do is curl my eyelashes. If you guys can't tell, I have like an eyelash perm, or my eyelashes are permed right now and also dyed black. So they do look a little bit better than they normally do, but I'm still going to like curl them and apply some mascara. L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. All-time favorite mascara. This is what it looks like. I got a bunch of my friends hooked on this mascara. I do have high-end mascaras that I love, like this Tarte one, but this is my favorite now. Before I go in with that though, I go in with the Urban Decay Subversion Thicker, Longer, Stronger Lash Primer. This is just like a white eyelash primer, and it just makes your eyelashes look so much longer and so much thicker, and I think that my mascara just like stays on and looks so much better for way longer when I use this. I'm really bad at mascara. Like my eyelashes look good like 40% of the time. Like I always just mess my eyelashes up. I like to use a waterproof one on the bottom lashes just because sometimes, actually all the time, my mascara always like smudges under my eyes if I don't use a waterproof one, and it's just annoying. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, but it's a really good mascara to do your bottom lashes with because it just makes them like super separated and long. Going with a Q-tip and just like make sure there's no eyeliner or mascara just like chilling around my eyes where I don't want it to. Okay, that is my makeup routine. Oh, I forgot setting spray. So I just go in with this Smashbox primer water. I don't really know the difference between setting sprays. I actually just drenched my face. Okay, jokes. I just was putting everything away and I realized that I never put on my highlighter in my inner corner. It's so hard to like remember stuff while I'm filming because normally I just like do my makeup in 5 minutes and it's just muscle memory, but I have to like stop and talk to you guys about stuff. I don't always do this, but I really like how it looks. If you can just, it just like makes it pop. I don't know. Okay guys, so this is the final makeup. I don't really know. I don't even know. Like I kind of, I feel like I got so much worse at makeup. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video, like, I hope you guys learned something, or you just found it entertaining to see like what I sometimes do with my face. Yeah, okay. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.